So I'm having this issue when I play Gauntlet, as you can hear. It seems to be related to these blue CDs. Sometimes I receive this "please insert PlayStation 2 format disc," so I'm gonna give one of these DVDs also a try. They're typically a silver disc. There seems to be no noise at all. So I'm going to open up this PS2 and see what's going on here. Somebody told me this trick that you could use a guitar pick to remove these feet. It seemed to work pretty well. It's interesting, those middle ones are hard plastic. The reason I'm opening this is because, for whatever reason, when I'm playing Gauntlet, the screen locks up and certain levels won't load. Seems to be a common problem. There's something with these notorious blue discs. Let's be sure there's not a game in here. This is the game I'm having troubles with. The CD looks fine. Have to break this warranty seal. Warranty void if seal on the PlayStation 2 console is removed. I think I'm far past my warranty period. So it's like you kind of have to twist, make sure that the CD drive and the game slots come out smoothly. What I found is, so the spindle is magnetic, and up in the top here there's a little piece of metal, and it pulls this, the piece of metal in this plastic, and the magnet pulls this plastic to hold the disc in place. The magnets become less strong. So I had a little spare magnet laying around, so I put this on top of that metal piece. That will make two magnets connecting to each other, so it should be stronger, and the little extra weight should pull it toward the disc. But I've tested this already, and it was able to resolve my issue of reading these notorious blue CDs, I found that the blue CDs actually run at a higher RPM. But I want to show how this improved the performance. So I tried this test 5 times without the magnet installed, and 2 of the 5 times I got a disk read error. And after installing the magnet, 5 out of 5 times the game boot up successfully. So, I'm gonna button this thing back up. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I plan to make more PS2 related content, game reviews, as well as demonstrating how to record and stream these older consoles. So the 2 plastic ones here, 2 plastic ones here, and here. These 4 are rubber.